This is our last lap. One eye on green. Then you drop. You gotta win, okay? You three gotta get ahead.
Us three are gonna try. Jack, you gotta try. Just try. All you gotta do is try. And if you try, you try. And maybe.
Are you feeling sick?
Yeah.
How bad?
Very good.
Why are you riding this?
Because he threw up, but his dad is looking riding it.
Go get him. Oh, he's here.
Yeah, drive.
All right, so we're gonna do a restart, and then we'll do like 2 or 3 laps. Yeah. Come on over.
Hey, you're using my dad's. That's a 29-inch. You're starting to make 32s. Oh yeah. If you're like 7'2", then that would be like a good option for you, you know?